Introducing the Tooltos multi-angle engraving knife grinding machine, your ideal tool for precision sharpening and professional-grade engraving. Designed for ease of use, the grinding machine features a rotary speed knob for smooth control and a forward/reverse rotary switch for easy direction adjustment, ensuring a seamless experience every time. The multi-angle sharpening system provides secure knife folding with adjustable elevation and a degree ring to easily select from a range of angles, giving you the perfect sharpness for every engraving tool. Built for durability and safety, the machine is forged from high-temperature stainless steel, ensuring superb hardness and corrosion resistance. The anti-static body design guarantees safe operation throughout. Equipped with 3 different grinding wheels, 260, 600, and 1200 grit, this machine meets a variety of sharpening needs, ensuring your tools are finely honed for precision. It is also equipped with 4 different angle rings any angle, 90 degrees, 105 degrees, and 120 degrees, which allow you to choose the desired angle value. Versatile and effective, this engraving knife grinding machine can be used to grind a wide variety of tools, from HSS and carbide engraving knives to polygonal tools with semicircular and reverse taper shapes. With a 150W power output and adjustable speed range of 400-900 RPM, this machine offers precise and efficient grinding. The diamond wheels, ranging from 260 to 1200 grit, ensure a finely tuned sharpening process for all your engraving tools. Your package includes the HH-GM01 engraving knife grinding machine, along with all the accessories you'll need: a carving knife fixture, angle circle and bracket, grinding disc, voltage converter plug, AC/DC adapter, and more. Operation steps. 1. Connect the power supply. 2. Installation of turntable and grinding wheel. 3. Install the carving knife fixture and adjust the sanding angle. 4. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the forward/reverse switch and adjust the rotation speed. 5. Start sharpening the carving knife. For precise, multi-angle sharpening with engraving tools, choose the Tooltos multi-angle engraving knife grinding machine. Order today and enhance your craftsmanship.